The screen on a faucet aerator traps all kinds of debris, from rust particles to calcium deposits. This is Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. You turn on a faucet and all you get is a trickle of water. The problem might not be in your faucet, but the aerator, which is located on the end of the spout. It mixes air into the water stream to provide an even splash-free flow. The screen on the outside of the aerator also traps all kinds of rust particles and calcium deposits, gradually cutting down the flow of water to a dribble. Fortunately, the solution is an easy one. First, unscrew the aerator. If you can't loosen it by hand, wrap it with masking tape to protect the surface and use a pair of pliers to get a solid grip. Once it's off, soak it in white vinegar for an hour or two to dissolve the gunk. Give it a good rinse and screw it back in place. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. From patio to paradise, enter our Backyard Paradise contest through April 14th to win $10,000 in paved stone materials and labor, giving you the yard of your dreams. Go to todayshomeowner.com/contest and tell us why you need a Backyard Paradise makeover.